Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER, the channel supported by Horinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical answers for future lifestyle fashions. FLFL is the ticker name, and what you're watching is the monthly technical chart of FLFL, and this is a historical price chart. Here each candle represents 1 month, and these are all the technical indicators and the respective graphs generated for the stock to do the technical answers. Now, if you look at the path pattern of the stock, price path pattern of the stock, it is very clear that since February 2016 onwards, this stock started moving in the upward direction, making new highs. This is new high 1, this is new high 2, and right now the stock is undergoing the consolidation phase. It's okay, good. And the stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode, which is very good. And the relative strength of the stock had already peaked up, and it is playing on top of the 80 line. And if you look at the angle that which the slope, the slope is making with the 80 line, it looks like the strength is going to increase further. Very good. And the direction strength is also increasing, and stochastics is both lanes. Sorry, both lanes are playing just around the 80 line. That's what I'm seeing, and I will zoom it. Yeah, right now because the negative trend is going on, we hope for a trend reversal in the near future, but at this moment the negative trend is going on, and the negative trend is a little bit strong also. And momentum is just playing on top of the baseline, but if you look at the tip of the momentum, it is looking in the upward direction. So we hope that the momentum will increase in the nearby future, but at this moment it is not. It is at the initial level. Cannot be. It is not at the benchmark level. And both balance of power and LRA both are in sync with each other, and are telling us that the stock is in bullish phase. And Kopeck curve is gaining strength, but it is making a parallel line to the baseline, and right now it is showing that the stock is in buy zone. Okay, so it is like this. Okay, we are getting actually mixed signals here. Mixed signals in the sense, directional strength is okay, but at the same time, if you look at both the positive and negative direction lines, they are converging at this moment. So it is like a 50-50 kind of thing. It is like coming down. That is how it is. We need to define. The direction strength is good, but it is coming down. And momentum is good, but it is slightly rising. But however, it is not at the benchmark level. Stochastics is playing at the top, nearby the top line, but the negative trend is going on. Whereas here, that is the reason. In the consolidation phase, normally we see red candles here, but here we are seeing the positive. Green candles, and this candle here represents one. This November month. But since the stochastic level, there is a huge drag on the stock. Maybe that is the reason why the stock is unable to push itself up. So the trend reversal, the trend is showing, the stochastic is showing that right now some negative trend is prevailing on the stock at a very high level, and because of that, the stock is unable to push itself, push its price up further. So that's what it is showing. So we are getting mixed signals here. The point is, in this kind of scenario, right now fashion industry is booming. That is there, and fashion industry is evergreen, and it is huge demand for costumes which are and for brands which are in which are at a high level, and most popular brands and all that stuff. So the demand is always there. Okay, but when it comes to the stock and this technical thing, the strength of the stock and all, at this moment, technically we are getting indicator wise, we are getting mixed signals. So as for me, at this moment it is better to consider the stock for short and medium term investments. Later we will see and come back. And redo the analysis based on the new points from long term perspective. But until then, this stock can be, as per me, this stock can be considered for a short and medium term investments. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.